Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to CAS video update today. So we are very close to the technical target of CAS, and previously, as I told you before as well in the previous videos, that you have a big head and shoulders going on in there. And not only did you have the head and shoulders, but you also had this ascending broadening wedge. Now you might see that this is a lot of patterns, this is a lot of lines that are being drawn. So I'm going to go back into the daily, and I'm going to start off from the daily once again. So if I bring in this logarithmic scale index at the moment, you can see that we had this one move to the upside, the second move down, a third move to the upside, a fourth move down, and a fifth move to the upside. Now you're looking for this one big A, B, okay, and probably you can have even a C correction all the way down here, probably down to even 12,128. But we're going to talk about that. That's not confirmed, but at least for now, there's this A wave coming down. Okay, the first A wave has not been completed. This is still pending. But from as far as I'm concerned, the last time that I was making these videos for you, we were trading at 4,600, and now we're trading at 3,300, and we are still looking to go down because the technical target for this one is going to be at 3,000, or let's just say 29,000, and you're trading at 33,000. So 4,000 more drop to come. Okay, and as far as I'm concerned, from here, okay, from there to there, we're still down at 23%. Okay, so we're down 23%, and we could probably look to go down to this technical target, and that's going to be 25,000 or something. I'm just going to remove some of the drawings because it's going to confuse you, and I want to bring in a very clean chart at the moment. And I want to show you one more thing that CAS can probably do before even going down. So let's just remove another thing, and this one as well. And you can see that you have this one left shoulder, one head here, and you got this right shoulder. Now, where's the neckline? You always have a neckline for the head and shoulder. Now, this is your support neckline right over there, which has been broken. But as far as I'm concerned, we might have one little bit of a push up here. Yes, one little bit of that push as a retest, and then finally go down, because that's the retest of the neckline. Now if retest that does happen, then we're looking for a move to the upside, if it does happen, because you can see the break happened here, but you haven't really back tested anything. So there could be chances of going up, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of people, they have their stop loss here, that's going to be taken. They have their stop loss there, that's going to be taken, and probably here as well. Just take a lot of stop losses right there, make people bullish a little bit, and then from here probably start to go and drop to the downside, make the reds once again for CAS. And that's it for this very quick update on CAS. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.